Let's move along to a pension issue. This comes from Laura in Chicago, and let me set up her
Sure.
situation. She's seeking dollars from her husband.
Okay.
She's seeking money. That's what she's looking for in this case. She's being totally honest about that. She's married to a Chicago police officer who's nearing retirement. He worked on homicide cases for 10 years. He fought against the gangs and the violence during the past 3 years. However, he has not yet faced an adversary quite like his soon-to-be ex, his wife. She wants blood, Jesse. This is what she stated. Because he has had a girlfriend. You see, there's always somebody's done something wrong here. And a very young girlfriend at that, 28 years old. Okay? She knows that he has a huge pension with the city. She's been married to him for 29 years. Sorry, with him for 29 years. Only married, this is key, for the last 6. So they lived and they lived together for a long time without being married. They're only married for the last 6, even though they've been together for 29 years. She wants to know what she could be looking at. And remember, she wants as much as she can get. She's angry.
Well, I can tell you, and I've had people that come into the office and they want blood. It's not much about dividing everything up and all that. They just want blood. I tell them there are plenty of other attorneys out there that'll do that for them and take their money. I'm not one of those.
Right.
I just want to get the job done. I want to make sure that it's equitable and we resolve it so everybody can move on with their life. So that's how I approach that.
Right.
However, I will tell you that if she wants blood, she's going to have to watch Shark Week because we are here in July. Because if they've only been married for 6 years, she's only entitled to the marital portion of the pension, which is for that 6-year period. Now, does she work? Does she have a pension?
No.
Okay, so
He was taking care of her.
we don't have to
They were
worry about
relying
that.
on his income.
Right.
They were taking vacations. He did buy her gifts. They had a pretty extravagant lifestyle. He made a decent living with the
Chicago
CPD.
cop?
Yeah.
Sure it wasn't narcotics?
I'm sure it was
Okay.
not narcotics.
All right.
And keep in mind, she feels that the 23 years together that they were not married has value as well.
Well, if you were in California, maybe, but you're not in California, okay? You're here in Illinois, and it's not gonna happen. It's just going to be that little snapshot of your pension and the marital portion. More than likely, the court probably would do 50%. I mean, they could give a higher share of that, but if he's been working for 20 years, we're just looking at a little bit. And, there's actuaries that, kind of determine on, okay, look here, when was the course of the marriage, what is this portion, and everything else. So that's kind of what you're looking at.